Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max. So let's get started. So first thing you're going to do is go into your setting. From your setting here, we're going to go scroll down to wallpaper. And then from here on, in order to either add a wallpaper or change the current one, you can click on add a new wallpaper. And this will open up your wallpaper settings. Now you have the option to select a photo, photo shuffle, any of these. Additionally, you also have the set of wallpapers pre-customized on your phone. So for example, if I wanted to select the iOS 26 one or even the new collection one from here, I can see here that I have three different options. I can swipe to pick the one I want, and then I can also add widgets if you like. You don't have to, it's optional. You can also change the wall's clock size as well, something like this. And finally, just click on add when you're ready and set as wallpaper, or you can customize the home one to be different from the lock screen one. So I'm just going to set it as is. And after that, this is the new wallpaper. If I lock the phone, I'll see that new wallpaper applied. Additionally, you can also edit the wallpaper directly by pressing and holding from the lock screen here. When you long press and hold, it automatically will ask for your Face ID or passcode, and then you click on that and it'll go into this edit mode, similar to how we did from the setting. And then here you go, you can go click on customize and then change the wallpaper again and add widgets if you like. Again, you don't have to. And then click on done and then tap anywhere, and then now you have another wallpaper. So both ways works in terms of changing the wallpaper. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.